Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my first ever FabFitFun box. I have been hearing about FabFitFun forever. People talk about it all the time, but I have never unboxed it before. So if you want to see all the contents of this box, talk about the details with me, all of that, make sure to keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, talk through all the products inside, stay tuned. Okay, so this is my first FabFitFun box. My friend Jody G had that, like, you have 4 free boxes to give away, just pay shipping. So I did that. I did end up subscribing, so I will have the seasonal boxes coming to unbox and share with you guys moving forward. But today's video, this is actually technically what they call the starter box. So if you sign up with the I have free boxes to give away code thing that certain people as subscribers do get, this is the box that people get from that. So it literally cost me $5. I just had to pay shipping, and it came with 4 products in it. Okay, so a note from us. At FabFitFun, we're about bringing you the best of the best, and that's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It is a small tease of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. So again, this box was all the information's on the other side, a total retail value of $133, only cost me $5. All I had to do was pay shipping. First item out of the box is from Niasync. I'm sorry, I can't read. First item out of the box is from Nails Inc. This is the Thirsty Hands Mask Duo. These gloves feature a blend of plant extract, shea butter, and vitamin E to instantly smooth and rejuvenate dry hands. Retails for $16. It is a 2-pack. Put it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and it will soften your hands. Now, I literally did a hand mask like 2 days ago and just did my nails, so my hands are super soft, but I will be trying that out in a future manicure situation, and I'll let you know what I think about it. The next item out of the box is actually fashion related. It is the Summer and Rose Celine Crossbody Bag. Add this stylish vegan leather crossbody to your handbag collection. Retails for $58. I am going to open this up. So vegan leather, it is a really pretty color. It's like a taupey gray. Fairly small, so it's more of like a small clutch size. I don't know how much you could fit in there. Definitely wallet and phone. I either have a giant, like, full-on tote bag with me, or I don't carry a bag. So this is not really something I would utilize, but I do understand the appeal of it, especially for people looking for more of these lifestyle-y things out of their boxes. When it comes to a subscription like FabFitFun, I personally am more into the makeup and skincare, but I love getting like candles and things out of subscription boxes. I mentioned that in a recent video. I probably should have gone over this first, but I did get the FabFitFun starter box, which is basically a little magazine talking about the box in general, how the box is curated, and tips to boost your workouts. A note from the editor, as well as customization and all of the details that goes into your box. Now, I am going to link this information down below rather than reading it to you story time on the channel, so I'll jump right through that. But basically, FabFitFun is like $50 quarterly, so you only get 4 boxes a year. There's 1 for every season. It is apparently the most customizable box on the market. I was talking to my good friend Jody G, and she was telling me that every box is different for everybody, or at least they're very different because you can really heavily customize them. And just based on your preferences, there are so many different things that you can get. So that's why I was most excited to jump into this, because what I seem to like most about boxes like this, like I love Ipsy and BoxyCharm, but both of those, they tend to send out, here's the variations, and there's always those ones that I personally want more, and I get that there's a lot of people in the community who, FOMO, they want the product that they didn't get. Because this is so customizable, it seems like it's more likely that you're going to get products catered to you. Not that Ipsy and BoxyCharm don't do customization, because they do, and not that they don't do curated boxes, but as a whole, it's a little bit less curated than what I'm seeing FabFitFun to be. The next item out of the box is the Makeup Eraser. This is the original makeup eraser in pink. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. Retails for $20. Now I have received, used, and owned the makeup eraser before. I never had it in the original pink. The one I had these weird palm trees on it. I got it in gratis when I worked at Sephora. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't love those like just wet cloths to take off your makeup. I always feel like there's stuff left behind. So I like to go in with like an oil cleansing balm first and then a cleansing tool. I do think that these are great for people who want to like pre-cleanse with this, then go in with another cleanser. But I will be dropping this in an upcoming giveaway, probably along with the vegan cross leather bag, because vegan leather crossbody bag. It's a lot of words today. Because they're just not things that I would personally use. And the last item out of this box that I was the most excited for is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Quench your skin's thirst. This vegan gel moisturizer stews and refreshes parched skin with electrolyte-packed hydration. Retails for $39. Now, this is not new to me. I have used this before. Another product I actually got when I was working at Sephora. I love the way that this made my skin feel. It is a super lightweight gel, so it doesn't feel super thick or heavy on the skin. Definitely very nourishing though. So for those of you with more oily to combo skin, you can still utilize this. It's not exclusively for dry skin, but if your skin is drier, you will get a lot of good hydration out of it. Now, I am not going to open this right this second because I do know I already like it, but on the boxes, and I say this in every skincare video, there's that little open container. This one says 6 months. Once you crack the seal on this, open it up and start using it, it will instantly start to expire. And you have 6 months from the date of open before it's considered expired. So I do like to only open what I need to use at a time. Not that that means that this is going to sit in my collection for 6 years before I open it. I do like to prioritize and keep things fresh. But the clock really doesn't start ticking until you open those products up. And nothing is worse than opening it, using it a handful of times, going to the next item, and either having to throw away a half-filled jar of expired moisturizer, or, worst case scenario, only use it a handful of times and then it just sits there for years. And I know I'm guilty of that. So I like to keep 1 or 2, maybe 3 of everything open at a time, except cleansers. I have like 6 open because I go through those like crazy. But moisturizers, serums, the works. I try to have 3 open at a time maximum so that I can really make sure I'm going through them and using them up. When I finish one, I will open a new one, and that way I can constantly keep them fresh. So like I said, this was a $133 value, which I think is amazing for a starter box. This was all I paid was shipping. I paid $5 and I got $133 worth of stuff. Even if I just like the moisturizer, it was definitely worth it. I will link all of the info down below. If you have any questions, I will try to answer them in upcoming videos, but like I said in the intro, I will be starting to unbox FabFitFun on my channel, so you can look forward to quarterly videos unboxing FabFitFun, talking about all the goodies in there, and yeah, let me know down below what you guys are thinking. Are you excited for me to start unboxing it? And stay tuned for an upcoming giveaway because 2 of these products I can tell you right now are definitely going in a giveaway coming soon. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!